Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to tag someone on Instagram post, and now let's dive right in. Now to tag someone on Instagram post, first open up your Instagram app, and after opening your Instagram app, let's make a demo post guys. In order to do that, let's tap on the plus sign at the bottom of the screen, and from over here let's go to the post section of your Instagram. And from over here guys, I'll be just taking a photo of my keyboard for the demo post, and let's click this and let's tap on the next button at the top right corner of the screen guys. You can do your own picture. I'm just doing for the demo post, and from over here guys we will be able to tag someone on our Instagram post. To do that, you can see the second option says tag people or add collaborators. Tap on the add people button over here, and in order to tag persons, you'll be required to tap on the photo, and you'll see this kind of interface will appear where you can search for a user to add that. You can tap on any place of the photo to add that person. For example, let's type in my friend's name over here, and you can see I have added the tag over here. Let's tap on the tick mark at the top right corner, and again you can see that person has been tagged, and you can tag multiple people over here. Let's go and say, and you can see guys that these persons are being tagged, and the guys, they have been tagged. And from over here, if you share your story after customizing your captions, then you will have tagged someone or tag contacts on your Instagram post. And the guys, this is how to tag someone on Instagram post. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.